Okay, so if you go to My Grades first of all and click on your grade, and you should see a blue bubble. Click on that and it will open and you will find the corrections. So here is one example of the correction. So what you do is you copy paste this and put it on a Word document. When you put it on the Word document, you then can separate this a little bit and make the corrections, fix it. Okay. So the two things you need to fix, of course, are the errors that I have written, but also make a table by going to Insert, Table, and you only need one box, and you can write your spelling errors. The spelling errors are in yellow, so take the words and write the correct words. Also a good idea, because you've already made this mistake, I would like to write it 3 times. However, of course, you can copy paste it 3 times. It's up to you. That you actually write it to practice it so you won't make the mistake again. That's my suggestion. So when you make the spelling, then corrected paragraph here below. Okay, you can write it here below. And when you do that, you're going to save it as second draft. Let's say it's to your desktop folder, writing, grammar worksheets, paragraph, remote, what was it? Remote working. Okay, so you're going to make a folder for that. And give it the name paragraph 1 second draft. And you can save that and then submit that as an assignment. Right, for the improved paragraph with the corrections. And that's it.